Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
This video sponsored by Edicus. Edicus offers skill-based courses in digital marketing, stock market, coding and more. It provides self-paced and live classes with expert mentors. Gamified learning helps students practice with the real-world projects. Courses are available in both Tamil and English. Get certified and boost your career with the affordable combo offer.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to EduQuest, where learning is made just for you. At EduQuest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career-building programs to skill-boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor-made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with EduQuest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
செல்லாதேவா என்னாலும் பொன்வானம் நான் என்னை நீதான் பிரிந்தாலும் நினைவாலே அணைத்தே நிலாவேவா செல்லாதேவா. காவேரியா கானல் நீரா பெண்மை என்ன உண்மை முள்வேலியா முல்லை பூவா சொல்லு கொஞ்சம் ஏழு அம்மாடியோ நீதான் இன்னும் சிறு பிள்ளை தாங்காதம்மா நெஞ்சம் சொன்ன சொல்லை பூந்தேனே நீதானே சொல்லி வைத்தாய் முல்லை நிலாவேவா செல்லாதேவா. பூஞ்சோலையில் ஆடை காத்து